Hello everyone, Jesse from Green Cars, and today I'm going on and off-road to bring you something just a little bit different today. You see, today we're gonna go exploring, and we're gonna do it in a Porsche. Just not the Porsche you're probably expecting. This is the Porsche e-bike Cross Performance EXC. That's right, folks. Porsche isn't just making cars anymore, they're bringing their signature blend of style and power to the world of e-bikes. And to help me out with today's review, I brought my highly skilled, professional mountain biking colleague, Trevor, who's gonna kick some sweet dirt into the camera for you, all in slow motion, for you, our home audience, to enjoy while I'm dropping all the details about this Porsche bike on you. Let's hit it. The Porsche Cross e-bike comes loaded with some serious tech. It's powered by the Shimano EP801 motor and a 630 watt battery, so it's designed for the peakest of peak performance. If you're new to e-bikes, don't worry. Even if the battery runs out, you can still pedal the old-fashioned way. Just better hope you didn't skip leg day. You'll feel a slight resistance from the motor, but it's nice to have that backup when you need it. There's also the Shimano SC EM800 display and handlebar controls to make switching between modes simple. And the Magura hydraulic disc brakes, specifically designed for e-bikes, delivers reliable stopping power, even on steep descents or in high traffic areas. You know, like right in front of me when I'm late for work. Now, let's talk about suspension and stability. This model features Fox Factory suspension, which is adjustable to fit your weight and riding style. Whether you're tackling rough trails or cruising on smooth streets, it's built for versatility. And the Crank Brothers wheels, they ensure even more stability and performance, even on the most challenging of terrain. Sick. At this point, it's safe to say this isn't just any e-bike, but Porsche also adds their signature touch with exclusive colors from their design collection, like Ruby Star Neo, Ice Gray Metallic, and Oak Green Metallic Neo. Whoa. In the carbon frame, it's lightweight, durable, and built for performance. Just about everything you'd expect from Porsche and nothing you'd expect from me. This e-bike is perfect for anyone looking to level up their commute, explore the outdoors, or just try something new in the world of electric vehicles. And as the only Porsche that I'm likely able to afford, I'll definitely consider it. Because there's nothing cooler than telling everyone around you that you own a Porsche. But in all seriousness, with its powerful motor, its adjustable suspension, and its really awesome frame design, this Porsche e-bike really is that seamless blend of performance and style that you've come to expect from Porsche. And it's just so much fun to ride. In fact, I think I'd go as far as to say there is no substitute. At Green Cars, we're passionate about the exciting world of electric vehicles in all shapes and sizes. Are you one of those people? Awesome. If not, no worries. Either way, we'd like to hear from you. Would you take the Porsche e-bike Cross Performance EXC for a spin? Let us know. A big thank you to Mark DeBoer, who let us put his e-bike through its paces from the heights of Roxanne to the mean streets of downtown Medford. Also, a huge thank you to Trevor, who sacrificed his physical health and his pants to help bring you the review that you're currently inserting into your eyeballs. And lastly, thank you to my good friend Evan for being my right-hand man in the production of this review. You guys are seriously the real MVPs. But you know who's also the real MVP? You are, my friend. At the time of this recording, it's almost Thanksgiving time. So thank you very much for being here. In doing so, you're supporting my friends at Green Cars, my production pals, and myself. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please let me know by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Also, stay tuned. The next review that we're cooking up is going to be a real fun one. As always, neither Porsche or anyone else had a hand in this review or had an early preview of its contents. The opinions expressed in this review are mine and mine alone. Once again, this has been Jesse from Green Cars. Thank you so much once again for stopping by today, and I'll catch you all in the next one.